The amount of boxes I'm about to open today, the amount of packages I'm about to open today is unreal, and that is the reason of this video. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I know I've been missing in action, guys. Life has been really busy, and in a while I will tell you why I've been missing in action once things materialize. Life is going through some changes, and soon you'll know everything. Me and my family have been sick also, so that also led to some slowdown in terms of my work. The fact that I was missing in action ended up being like a huge pile up in my room. Let me show you how many packages I have here, which I really needed to unbox, and I thought why not unbox in front of you guys and actually show you guys what's going on and what all I get. Usually some are things I bought, some are PRs, so it's a mix of everything. Consider this like a huge unboxing of all the deliveries I've received in the last 2 weeks, and I haven't touched because I haven't had the time, guys. We were actually supposed to be in Goa this weekend. That was also an update, and I thought I'll surprise you guys with a Goa vlog and all of that. But we didn't go because of the health of my family. Anyway, I'm personally checking out everything right now in front of you guys. So let me take you through all the boxes first. This is a big H&M box I had received. This is a PR. I'll show you what this is. There's an Urbanic delivery unopened since 2 weeks. There's a first try delivery unopened, another Urbanic delivery. Are you guys able to see it? Yeah. Okay, how many boxes have I shown you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packages. Okay. There's a delivery from a brand I ordered from. Very excited for it. Another first try delivery, mommy and baby shopping. This is again something I bought for myself, haven't opened yet. What is this? Oh wow, this is a collaboration delivery I'm really looking forward to. Can you see the pile up? This is a Myntra delivery. This is a Nykaa fashion delivery. Okay, I am gonna fall because so many packages are here. Another first try delivery. Oops, everything seems to be going out of control, but I still have to show you guys the pile up. Last is another collaboration delivery. So this is a big pile up that I had to unbox, and I thought why not do it in front of you guys, because I know you guys love my hauls, you guys love my shopping. Let me, so one by one in no order. 2 important essentials of opening any packages: a knife and a scissors. I'll start off with this Myntra package. So I order mostly all of my Mango stuff. I love wearing Mango as a brand. Their clothing is amazing. They fit like a dream. Their styles are amazing. Their quality is of course amazing. And I was bored of H&M and Zara. But also because their delivery, Myntra delivers very quickly. Their returns are very easy. That is the main convenience that I find from Myntra. So the first one is this dress, which I really like in the photo. It's an off-white spaghetti dress. I ordered the size extra small in it, to be honest. So this is how this dress looks like. It's a long full-length maxi dress. I'll insert a picture of a model wearing it. I love this color anyway. The fabric is amazing. It is on the expensive side. It's about 3,500 for this dress, and I ordered the size extra small because it's very flowy. It's sustainable cotton and it's really good fabric, guys. So that's my first buy. Managing packages and the returns is a task. Next thing is another top that I ordered from Mango. Again, very summery, I know, but this is how the top looks like. I think it's really pretty. This was again priced at about 2,300. Quality of Mango is absolutely amazing, and such a top is so versatile. You can wear it with skirts, you can wear it with pants, you can wear it with anything. Like a white, good basic white top, a good fitted white top really goes a long way because it goes with literally everything. So yes, another off-white buy besides that off-white dress is this top that I got from Mango. Last is a dress which I'm on the fence for. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this because I bought this keeping in mind that I'm going in Goa and I want a nice peppy dress. So which is why I ordered this midi length dress from Mango. Look at the color. Why I love it is because of this mango orange yellowish color. It's so beautiful, guys. I ordered the size small in this. I think this is also priced in the range of 2,500 or something. This is the style of the neck, which is really nice. It's very beachy and holiday, to be honest. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, but yeah, wherever I travel next, on any holiday, this can come really handy. It's like a jersey dress, guys. It's a jersey stretchy fabric sort of a dress, so it's very nice and comfortable. So especially poolside, beachside, you love wearing such kind of easy breezy dresses. I'm moving to this package from Nykaa Fashion. I ordered some jewelry from Nykaa. I love ordering jewelry pieces. I'm making a jewelry collection. I earlier never had one. Saw this brand and I've heard about this brand. It's called Pipa Bella. Really nice jewelry, and what I liked this time was there was a sale on Nykaa Fashion and everything was in the range of 1,000 and under 1,000. And they looked like premium pieces of jewelry. So yeah, the first one is this. I love the packaging. Firstly, they send each piece of jewelry in this kind of paper packaging. This is the first one. It's a bracelet that I ordered. So this is how the bracelet looks like. I thought it was really pretty. Let's try this out because I anyway love pearl, and so this is how the bracelet looks like. I think it's really nice. I think it's really nice when you're not sure what you want to wear in the hand. Something like this, like dainty pieces of jewelry like this, I'm a big fan of, and I think it's really cute. Next is a pearl necklace, guys. This is how it looks like. I hope the light is showing you guys. So it's a pearl, like a layered necklace, and I thought for any kind of like V-necks or deep necks, such a necklace could look really pretty. One pearl on each chain, and I think it's really pretty. I don't know, once I wear it I'll be able to understand. Right now it's a little jumbled up, but I thought it's a pretty concept and it looked really nice on the in the photos. So yes, this is the Pipa Bella necklace that I ordered. You guys know how much I love pearls, so anything with pearls. In fact, all 3 pieces of jewelry that I've ordered have pearl in them. So yeah, that's how crazy I get. But this is the one, and I think this was again priced at about 1100. Last is something I'm disappointed with because what the picture showed has not come back. I'm going to insert a picture of what I actually saw and ordered versus these earrings. I'm actually not opening them because I'll write to Nykaa and tell them that, you know, it's basically the concept is this only. They're like a hoop style, double hoop style earrings, but inside they were not round pearls. The picture that I saw on the website showed like a deformed sort of a pearl and not a round pearl, and this is like a full proper round pearl, and it's not something that was shown in the picture. So yes, this is the last one. These 3 are the Pipa Bella deliveries that I received from Nykaa Fashion, and looking forward to styling them. Okay, next is a collaboration I'm really looking forward to. In fact, in this collaboration I wrote to the brand and I told them that I really like your stuff and can I like style one of your outfits. The brand is called Siash. I'll link them down below in the description box, and it's beautiful. Look at the color. It's a 3-piece linen blazer set with pants, blazer. Wow, the fabric is so smart, guys. This is the blazer. The fabric looks really nice, and it actually has these power shoulders kind of a thing. It has like pads on the shoulders. Really cool. So this is the blazer, same color pants and same color inner. It's like a 3-piece set, and I'm really looking forward to styling this because the quality of the linen, the fabric, it's amazing. Can't wait to try this. This is something is on my next to-do list to shoot and style. So yes, and I love the sleeves also. Really smart. Next, this was again part of my Goa shopping, guys, but I'm gonna keep this because I really love it. It's a 2-piece set, like a crop top and a skirt set from this brand called 1101. I've been following them on Instagram for a while now, and I really wanted to buy something from them. Though one feedback or one thought I had was whenever I used to look at their styles was that most of their dresses are really short, and I don't wear very short dresses, but this was a really nice midi length skirt with top. Look at the packaging. I love these kind of paper packaging with ribbons. It's really nice, and I think it's a sustainable brand. This is the top, and the same fabric skirt also has come. So it's like a crop top. It was actually on sale, and if you can see, it's got like it's cotton and it's got like thread work. It's like a garden embroidery is what they've called it. And it's a crop top with skirt. This is the first skirt quad set I've bought, and I'm really looking forward to styling it. And it's like a full sleeves top. I'll again insert a picture of a model wearing it, guys. I do not have the bandwidth to try on everything right now, but this comes with the skirt. This is the skirt. Yeah. So this is the skirt and this is the top. It's really pretty. It's really me, to be honest. Let me show you some cute stuff. My daughter's stuff. So I've got some stuff from First Cry. It's like a multicolor heart leggings for her. With the weather changing, I thought leggings would be ideal. So I got this from Carter's on First Cry. Actually, I ordered a lot of Carter's stuff from First Cry for my daughter. Opening packages is not easy. Oh, this is so pretty. I want the same. So her favorite color is yellow, guys, and I wanted to order something in yellow for Diwali. Honestly, I haven't done my festive shopping this time. Yes, guys, I don't know what I'm wearing for Diwali. I don't know what I'm wearing for Karwa Chauth, but for my daughter sorted for the Shera and Diwali both. So this is the kurta. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. She's gonna love it. And these are the yellow pants with it. How cute is this? So it's from this brand called Little Drama on First Cry. Check this out. I think First Cry has amazing options. I think this was priced at about 2000, but there is a sale on it. I think 1500 or something. But you can see there's a gota work on it. It's very subtle print. Kids look perfect in such comfortable clothing. I feel like I can wear this for Diwali puja and stuff. So yes, looking forward to her trying this. And more First Cry delivery. Again an outfit for her for pujas and stuff. I love Jaipuri prints, guys. So this is the other outfit that I got for her for any kind of like Ashtami puja or something. It's like a short kurta along with, I just hope the size is fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. So it's like a dhoti pants with this short kurta. Again, this is from First Cry and I think it's so pretty. I love block prints and Jaipuri prints and look how pretty this looks. So this is for my little one. Follow me on my Instagram. I will be posting her pictures there. But I think it's really nice and it's all cotton and comfortable. So I think the kid is going to be happy wearing this. Next is Urbanik, guys. Urbanik is obviously more like affordable, quick wearing stuff. This was like a kaftan I ordered from them and this is how it looks. It's a full size kaftan, though it's pretty. Let's see, I'll try it out. If I feel like it's good, I'll keep it for any kind of holidays that come in. The fabric is decent. It's not very soft cotton, but it's basic cotton. I like the whole embroidery going on, and at the end it has like a slit at the end. One more Urbanik delivery. Urbanik is like your affordable Shein, guys. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna return these. There's a pair of denims here. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna try it out. There's a loose. I remember I ordered like a really loose, a midnight. This was a midnight shopping binge. I ordered like a loose denim. Let's see. I'm gonna try it and see. I'm not sure. I ordered a swimming costume for myself. One more PR item that I've received is from this brand called Simply Nam. This is from one of the biggest Bollywood makeup artists. Her name is Namrata Soni. I think Sonam Kapoor gets all her looks done from her, and Simply Nam is her brand. And one of the products that has really been doing the rounds, makeup remover and cleansing towel. It's like a reusable makeup remover towel, and their team got in touch with me and they wanted me to try it out, and I said why not, because always looking for something nice to remove your makeup. And you know, I keep using those cotton pads. I love the packaging. I think their packaging is really nice. Got it in this box, and it's like a makeup remover towel which you can wash and reuse. It's really soft. So I will be doing like a mini review of this either on YouTube or on my Instagram for sure. I'll see if I can do this on my YouTube as well. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out and seeing how this works. Next is another PR I'm really looking forward to, is what I've received from the beautiful people, the nice and kind people of Ras Luxury Oils, guys. I've seen their products so many times on Instagram. So many people actually rave about it, but I never tried it. Their team got in touch with me, and you know, we discussed how I love skincare and I love using facial oils and I love natural skincare, farm to face skincare. Like, sounds perfect. They sent me a range of products for me to try. This is the goodie bag. It's like candies for me. I love trying out skincare. So what they've sent me is the Radiance Hydrating and Brightening Face Gel Serum. I haven't opened anything, guys. I will be trying it out soon. In fact, today I wanted to start trying it. This is the Rosehip Calendula and Shea Butter Balm. This is a deep nourish balm. Looks so good, like luxury skincare for sure. This is the Lush Lips Conditioning Lip Scrub. Wow, this is gonna be nice. Beauty Boosting Face Elixir. This is the elixir. I love using such products. Then we have the facial roller. The roller is so famous. Wow, I'm so excited. Then we have liquid lip balm. I love lip balms. Wow, it's like oil based, really smells like heaven. Then there is the Glow Potion Essence Toner, their toner, and their Pollution and Makeup Melting Cleansing Oil. Wow. So I'm really looking forward to doing a detailed review of these products, guys. How can I not show you guys my H&M. I live on H&M. Me and my daughter, we buy so much stuff from H&M, especially for kids. I feel H&M is amazing. Let me quickly take you guys through all the H&M stuff, guys. Okay, first one is for my daughter. It's a full sleeves dress, which I think I'm gonna keep because she loves heart. H&M has amazing like $4.99, $3.99 range of dresses for kids to wear at home. I think it's amazing. Oh, I love this dress. It's a formal dress. It's like a satin dress with a spaghetti straps, and it's like a really shimmery dress, like a midi dress. But it's quite formal, and they had a black color in it as well. I'm looking forward to trying this. I hope it fits me well. It's like I really don't have formal wear, guys. I buy a lot of casual day wear. This is a Goa buy. I think I'm gonna return this. It's a dress. Oh, it's like that. It's a typical beach dress that I'd ordered, especially like a white plain classic white beach dress I'd ordered for Goa. Definitely returning this. Again, she loves such things, and I love making her wear really basic stuff, shorts and t-shirts at home. So this is like a cute little dog in it. I'm definitely keeping this. She'll love it. This is a set. H&M has amazing sets, by the way, guys, for kids. So it's a shorts and top set for my little one. Let's see, I'm not sure about these shoulders, but I think it's really cute. Next up is another dress. This is very similar to the orange dress of Mango that I'd shown you. Again, a beach dress. I thought I'll keep one of these, whichever looks nice. Now I have a feeling I'm not going to keep either of them because I'm not going to a beach anytime soon. But they're pretty. I'll actually try them out and see. It's a nice airy dress, and it's a v-neck, like a strappy thing, and I think it's for $14.99 from H&M. H&M has like 10 colors in it. I think it's really pretty. It's cotton, and let's see, I ordered a size small, but I ordered a size extra small, but again it seems very loose to me because that's the style. They're supposed to be flowy. I really like this for my daughter. It's like a full sleeves tie and dye sweatshirt, but it's like a thin sweatshirt, and I've actually ordered joggers with it. So it's a great set. I love such sets for my daughter. So these are the leggings sort of joggers along with this sweatshirt, and they're thin basically. They're for the mid-season. So yes, $7.99 and $6.99, so about 1400 rupees, and you get sets like these on H&M. I think it's really cute. Tie and dye is so in these days, so why not get it for the little one? Okay, this was a beach dress I ordered for the little one. Let's see if she likes it. I'm gonna keep it for summer because it's a little bigger size, but it's cute. H&M does such cute colors, such cute style. Never go wrong with kids wear on H&M. Zara I feel is a little more expensive, especially for kids wear, but H&M is very affordable and good. Last is this mint green jumpsuit I ordered for myself. I'm not sure whether I'm keeping this because again this was Goa wear, and the weather is changing here in Delhi at least. Looks cute. I'm still gonna try it out because I really love wearing jumpsuits, and this is like a loose kind of a jumpsuit. The fabric looks amazing. The color is very pretty. Am I tired, or am I tired of all this crazy unboxing? But yes guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I have unboxed literally everything that was lying in my room and checked it out. If there's anything particular you want a review of, I'll definitely share it. Let me know if you are curious about any product. If you need a link to anything, I will definitely mention it down below because I'm not sure what all I'm keeping firstly, because I might return a couple of things. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Who doesn't like to unbox things and open things and see them? Looking forward to trying all of this. Let me know if you liked anything in particular, and I hope you liked this video. Please let me know. Please let me have your feedback, and please send in your video requests, guys. What kind of videos do you guys want to see? What do you want me to wear? What do you want me to try out? Any review you guys want, happy to do it. But yes, stay tuned, stay happy, stay positive, stay healthy, take care of yourself and your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. This is some behind the scenes, guys, of all the unboxing I just did for you guys. Huge. I hope I haven't left out anything, but yes, that was it.